How to get rid of strawberry legs forever. Tips, remedies, and best products. If you clicked on this video, chances are you've noticed tiny spots all over your legs that make them look like, well, strawberries. And not in a cute picnic basket kind of way. It's a cosmetic concern that affects many people, regardless of skin type or hair texture. And while entirely harmless, the quest for smooth and even toned skin makes understanding and addressing strawberry skin a priority for those affected. So let's talk about what these spots actually are, why they pop up, and how you can say goodbye to them for good. Most common causes. Understanding the causes of strawberry skin is the first step toward effectively treating the condition. It's usually the result of a combination of factors. Clogged pores are a primary culprit. Dead skin cells, oil, and dirt accumulate in hair follicles, leading to the formation of those noticeable spots. Furthermore, folliculitis, an inflammation of the hair follicles that's often caused by a bacterial or fungal infection, can also result in a strawberry-like appearance. Similarly, overly dry skin can make hair follicles more prominent. And then there's keratosis pilaris, a benign skin condition in which excess keratin blocks hair follicles, causing a rough, bumpy texture. The good news is that getting smoother skin is totally possible with some patience and the right approach. Here's how you can start making those unsightly spots a thing of the past. Tips, remedies, and best products. Smart hair removal habits are foundational to preventing irritation and the exacerbation of strawberry legs. Thus, softening the skin beforehand is imperative. Incorporating oatmeal baths into your routine is an excellent way to achieve this. Additionally, opting for a razor that contours to the curves of your legs, changing blades regularly to ensure they remain sharp, and shaving in the direction of hair growth can significantly reduce skin irritation. Coupled with the use of a moisturizing shaving cream, these practices can help maintain the integrity of the skin's surface. Those of you with a higher pain tolerance may want to consider using an epilator to remove hair from the root. This method tends to leave the skin smoother for a longer period compared to shaving, which merely cuts hair at the surface level. Having to remove hair less often also means less irritation. Either way, whichever method you use to get rid of unwanted hair, if you've got strawberry legs, regular exfoliation is an essential part of managing it. By removing dead skin cells through physical or chemical means, you can prevent them from clogging pores. Physical exfoliation, involving gentle scrubbing with a brush or scrub, needs to be done with care to avoid further irritation. Chemical exfoliation, on the other hand, is a gentler alternative that uses mild acids like salicylic, glycolic, or lactic acid to dissolve dead skin cells without the need for manual scrubbing. You can also use apple cider vinegar. Its natural acidity will not only help exfoliate your skin, but also balance its pH levels. Just dilute it with some water and apply it to the affected areas with a cotton pad. Of course, consistent moisturization with gentle, non-comedogenic products is crucial. Lotions containing urea and alpha-hydroxy acids, such as lactic or glycolic acid, are particularly beneficial as they moisturize the skin and promote exfoliation. Coconut oil is another great choice. It's rich in fatty acids that can help hydrate the skin and lock in moisture. Now, while we're focusing on what you can apply directly to your skin, let's not overlook the importance of what you wear. Loose, breathable clothing is your best bet to minimize irritation and prevent excessive sweating. Think of it as giving your skin a little extra breathing room. With a solid skincare routine in place, you should notice a significant difference. And if you've tried everything and those spots are still hanging around, don't fret. This is where professional treatments can offer an additional level of care. Professional help. Dermatologists can provide prescription solutions, such as retinoids, that effectively exfoliate the skin and smoothen its texture. Laser therapy presents another option, targeting the pigmentation of dark spots to reduce their visibility and improve overall skin tone, while chemical peels remove the top layer of skin and encourage the regeneration of smoother, more even-toned skin underneath. In cases where strawberry legs are a symptom of an underlying skin condition, such as bacterial or fungal infections, healthcare providers may recommend specific treatments like antibiotics or corticosteroids to address the root cause. This highlights the importance of professional consultation, as it will help ensure that any treatment plan is tailored to your specific needs and conditions. I'm not gonna lie, dealing with strawberry legs can feel like a bit of a journey. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to explore different remedies to discover what works best for your unique skin. Remember, what works for someone else might need a little tweaking to work for you. Plus, overcoming strawberry skin often involves a combination of strategies and treatments. With the right approach, smoother, spot-free legs are a realistic and achievable goal. So here's to smooth sailing and even smoother legs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.